Welcome to another video. Today I thought I would go through some backtesting for all of 2025 because I'm working on a new strategy which I did start the start of this year, 2026. So I'm just going to get through a month per video. I got 5 days for the 5-day free trial, so we'll try and go through the whole year within the five days. But yeah, every video is going to be 1 month, so we'll get through January 1st. So ground rules, I'm not gonna trade days. I'm not gonna trade Monday no news, and I'm not gonna trade Friday no news. I'll have a look, but if there's like NFP or something, I'll just see. But I'm gonna be very strict with my rules there, and I'm only using ES for SMTs, but I'm not gonna pay too much attention to them. I'm just gonna be looking at price action, and all the trades I'm gonna be taking are on the 1 minute. I'll be looking at the 4 hour and the hour for like higher time frame biases, but other than that, it's mainly just 1 minute price action. That's like the whole that's the whole strategy that I'm like learning. So we'll just start with that, and then we'll just get into it. Okay, first day. We'll just skip straight to 9:30. That is not 9:30. What is going on with price? Why does it do this? New York. Thank you. Okay, we just skipped the whole day, which is fucking fantastic. Or was it a half day? I don't know. Oh, okay, whatever. Anyway, we are on Thursday. No news, probably just normal price action. So 9:30 open is there. Just gonna go on the hourly, have a look at levels. So we're on a downtrend, obviously on the higher time frame. Bigger opening gap there. We've got these lows here. I'm just gonna mark shit out. I don't actually think we're gonna hit any of these. Like in terms of the days, depends how volatile it is. It is the start of the year, so January is usually. Actually, January price action has been pretty good so far this year. I low-key forgot how it was last year. Anyway. Okay, let's just have a look. So S&T here. Like so. Going down, we've got this low. Go down to the 15 minute, let's just have a look. Alright, first thing I want to see is how we react to this low here. See what happens. We'll just go from there. Yeah, okay, let's just wait. 1 minute. Close to sweeping, so that's like the main draw right now. I don't think we go up because of this, because of this bearish move. But so overall narrative right now is kind of because it's bearish. Overall narrative is bearish. Let's just wait to see how we react to liquidity. We might get an S&T here. We could go up. You never know. This is no news. We wait for macro. Okay, so immediate sell-off. Continuous sell-off. Let's just look at other draws. The next draw is all the way down here. But I don't trade that early. Market open. So rebalance. Okay, so around macro, we've completely obliterated this. Okay, so taking that out. Yeah, the next draw we got is here. But I only aim for 30 to 50 points, and I take 10 cons if it's. So I'm on MNQ. If it was normal NQ, I'd take 1 con. Just looking to see how I react to these levels really. Okay, so we're still going down. We're in macro now, so let's just see if we can get like maybe an internal manipulation continuation. Looking at these highs specifically. See if we do anything here. Otherwise, it's just going to be a no trade. I want to see like a good respective PXL as well. We have this, okay, we have this little high here, just like you're acting as PXL. I do want to see this get manipulated first. I want to see some kind of internal manipulation before we continue down. Okay, there's our internal manipulation. If we get bearish movement down, like if we start buying back up, then it looks like I might just go long. Okay. Probably just going to target here, to be honest. Stops there, just going to go for a 1-to-1. Okay. There you go. Reason why I did that was because we had this internal manipulation here, but we just continued, we just pushed through. We didn't get any displacement down, so just a quick scalp. Nice. Next day. Get rid of all these levels. Yeah, we eventually did end up going back down. Dumped. Came all the way back up, and then we just kept going down. We swept all that liquidity. And we got a total soup here. Very, very, very clean total soup. And there's an S&T. Okay, it's good to know. Go on the alley. There's that total soup. S&T manipulation. Yeah, I reckon this S&T just gets fucked now. We'll just have a look what happens. Any news still? It's a Friday, PMI, 10 a.m. I'm not even trading this. I'm just gonna go to the next session. Market opens, we're just going up. Yeah, okay, whatever. I don't trade. I'm not gonna trade him. I actually might. Okay, I'm not gonna do that next time. I'll look at it just in case. Because usually Fridays aren't that bad, but it's just a lower probability. Okay, I don't know why this is fucked up. Oh, it's because this is still on. Okay. Yeah, but we destroyed that S&P. Swept that. Swept everything here. Including this one here. Got these highs up here. I'm just gonna have a neutral narrative right now. Let's just see how price reacts to liquidity. Any news? There's no news around that. You know what, fuck everything. I'm just gonna trade every day. And if I don't see anything, I don't see anything. Cause like, I can't be fucked just skipping days. Let's just have a look. Because sometimes like price action's good. If there's nothing by the first macro, I'm not gonna wait for 1040. I don't trade 1040. If there's nothing by 945, then I'm just not gonna trade. Okay, so go up, see liquidity. Let's go in 1 minute to have a look. Look at the internal draws. Okay, if we start just going down off this, we've swept all this liquidity here, and we have an S&T with these highs. Let's get rid of that. Okay, I have no more S&T, we just displaced through it, so if we get a rebalance. Honestly, you could have entered there, but that's a bit too early, so no news, so I'm just going to wait for the macro, I'm just going to skip the macro. Yeah, this looks pretty bad as well, looks pretty choppy. Okay, we're in macro now, so let's see if there's any kind of rebalance, if we get into this buy side here. Or if we just displace it, and you see a retrace though. I don't just want to enter off displacement. Pretty buns if we just do that. But yeah, look at that. Just gonna target 30 points here. Stops there. Actually, I'm gonna do a tight stop. Just gonna target 30 points. Right. 30 points. Stop loss there. know I shouldn't be trading Mondays, so there's a very high chance that I just get stopped out. Okay, there you go. I like, once again, it's just displacement to the upside, respect that buy side. Next session. Okay, what do we do? Yeah, we just went up and then we just sold back down. We got S&Ts here. That didn't get swept. That got swept. That got destroyed there. Once again, just look at narrative. Just look at price. Look at, like, you know, where the highs and lows are, and then we just react accordingly. Of the session, previous day highs, previous day lows, and I'll look at pre-market as well. I'll look at pre-market highs and lows. So we have that S&T here. That's important. It's not really that important. We'll just have a look. All these highs have been they've been taken out on both. So we'll just have a look at which way we displace. Do we have any news? I got 10 AM, so let's try and find a trade within the first 5 minutes of open, first 5 to 10 minutes, and then that's that. I got PMI. Wednesday, FOMC, that's pretty shit. And we got NFP on Friday. We'll have a look at an NFP candle if it's big. If it's like a big candle on the Friday, we'll trade it. If not, we won't trade it. Okay, that's done fucking nothing. Just been chopping for the first 3 minutes. Still liquidity here. I want to see what we do with this draw here. Okay, this looks like a really slow day. Probably because we have FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, let's just go for a really small trade to an internal high or low. Alright, displaced, retest. We've got these lows here. Okay, well, it looks like we're gonna sell off, but I just want to see. Okay, well, we're definitely gonna sell off here. Very late entry. I doubt I even hit this. Could have entered much earlier. I was just looking at ES because ES failed to get it, so I really need to see ES take that shit before, you know, anything happens. Okay, sweet. Just continuation down, displacement. Retested this. Honestly, the OTE was like up here because we displaced down, retested, and we kept going down. I just waited for extra closure because ES was just not reacting. That's why you gotta not look at ES much, because ES is like low-key kind of useless. Next day, FOMC. Jesus. Yeah, we just fucking dumped. Crazy. Damn, I do not remember trading. Like, I've been trading for over a year. I do not remember like this price action. I do not remember the trades I took, besides like December and like November. I don't really care about those highs anymore. We're not going to be going up there. It looks like we're in an overall downtrend. We've been dumping, getting a bit of a rebalance. Draws on liquidity. Let's go on the hourly just to look at higher time frame draws. I want to go for a look at this little accumulation area here. These lows. That's probably a draw. How's the audio? Okay, audio is good. Perfect. I don't know how long this is going to go for, but we're already on the 8th. 20 something more days. 23. Okay. Drawing liquidity here. Drawing liquidity there. We're buying up. Let's see how we respect this. Go on the 15 minute. Yeah, no bullish S&Ts by the look of it. Start buying up, and I want to see like some form of like order block. Okay, there you go. these highs here that we can take out. Okay, let's see if this holds. I need to see displacement back up. If we close down, if we take that, then it's like, okay, we fucking broke it. I mean, I can take this, but it's like, bro, it's like 10 points. And there's no point taking this. So I'm just gonna let that play out. Okay, look at this. There we go. We got better. We got this buy side here. If we hold this, it looks pretty good. But we have sucked a lot of liquidity. Like, we have a big S&T here now. So we could just sell down. There you go. Look at that. Crazy. Just a 1-to-1 again. Honestly, take profit, like it should be there. But since I'm going for the 1-to-1. Okay, perfect. Perfect. It's 30 points. That's all you gotta go for. 30 points. Reason why I entered that, we had that S&T with these highs up here, and we just fucking displaced the shit out of that buy side. And I entered. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Man, we did end up taking it. A very choppy day. Holy crap. Oh, that's FOMC, that's why. Yeah, I have no idea how to trade FOMC. I've never traded FOMC because I'm usually asleep. And it just looks so scary to trade. Market open, just get rid of these ones. I'll keep the S&T though, I don't give a fuck about that. I'm probably gonna stop getting rid of like my annotations, it takes too long. Holy chop. Highs, lows, higher time frame, we took, okay, we swept all that. I think we run higher because this leg here, this last leg, it looks like we're in CE. And we swept this liquidity, so I you think we just pump off. We could very much be wrong. Okay, absolutely no real. Do we have any news today? No news Thursday, perfect. Let's have a look. It's a big candle, didn't really do much. As I said, we got these highs here we can take out. Can very much take out. Let's just wait to see which way we displace. Okay, some market opens. Big wicks, displace down. Continuation, by the looks of it, maybe continue down to these lows. Don't just want to enter with a displacement candle. Okay, rebalance and see if we get rid of this sort of sell side here. Like I want to see this and this, like all this. Okay, if we sell off here, if we disrespect that. Okay, it looks like we have an S&T here. I can go both ways. I want to see how we sell off. I like that. Okay, it's just gonna go up there. We could very much, like this is a very risky entry because I'm not waiting for the close of this buy side. So we can very much just go back up. This worked because we got pretty good displacement, got a retrace. We have an S&T here, so that counts, and then we have the order block here. This little order block, and we tap the 0.5. Perfect. Honestly, entry would have been better up here. Get an entry anywhere here. Beautiful. Beaut. Just I wouldn't get rid of it. I just got rid of it. Oh my God. Friday, what do we have? Let's see how big the NFP. Holy shit. Okay, we're trading. And whenever NFP candles are really big like this, then it's like telltale sign that we're going to continue. That is huge, man. That is actually huge. So let's see what we do. Market open. 4 hour. I don't really care about that S&T anymore. Just wait to see what happens. So huge displacement to the downside. Big wicks though, kind of scary. So it could go both ways. And we have this SIBI here that is about to be closed. Got this PXL here on the higher time frame. Look, he just shitting through it though. I'll just mark that out to see what happens. Could be a continuation, could, you know, just displace. If we inverse this entire thing, we go up, and that's like, yeah. We've already taken out the data lower as well. Oh, we have an S&T with the data lower. Oh no, we don't. We've taken out both. Alright, let's just see what we do then. We could go up or down. Let's just wait and see. Okay, so PXL is reacting well. Very well here. We displace through this. Do we have any 10 AM news? We do. Honestly, entry is like good here. Huge stops though. I do not feel comfortable risking that much, so I'm just gonna drop my size down to 5. Take this. Might be a little bit too early, but I do think we just flush down. This is a very premature trade. Like I can definitely lose this. Yeah, cooked. I was just about to go break even, but it looks like we're buying our way back up. I'm likely gonna go break even here, or maybe just like right there, at this, because we can, you know, come and take that. Okay, stop down. Let's see if it runs. Oh, there you go. That's why you don't move your stop. This would have played out as well. Really good trade. Better entry would have been here. Respected this sell side. Order block, continuation down. Enter off any of these displacement candles. I did enter a bit too early, like right off market open, which is really stupid. Or even up here, there's a lot of good entries that I could have taken, but that was it's very clear. Respected this high time frame PXL as well. That was a bit of a Guna entry. Okay, next. Selling off, man. Oh. Fuck, is there any draws? Oh, there you go. Okay, let's have a look. Very close to that draw. We've already taken it out by the looks of it, but we're just going to continue going down. Down, what the hell? Crazy SA. This is why S&Ts are kind of useless, because we've already taken it out, but like we're just so strong going down. Like I just think we continue. Monday, no news, I'm not trading it. Good God, see, that's why you don't trade it. Like, why are we that close to that where we're not taking it out? Makes no sense. Alright, opening gap respect, I can already see that little opening gap, I don't know what else it's called, I just called an opening gap. Got this here. Respect it. Oh, we could honestly just sell through this. We've tapped it so many times, we've already filled it so many times. And judging by these wicks in this S&T here, is there any news? We had 8:30. Yeah, so that news high formed an S&T here. Let's just see what we do. Yeah, I don't really give a fuck about that. We can very much just sell through it. We have a big buy side. Let's go back to the alley just for 1 second. I just want to see. Okay, we have an S&T here as well. Look at how I react to these lows as well. Alright, perfect. retrace a bit close below, I'd probably be willing to take an entry. See how I react to this. This is the main signature I'm looking at right now. The fleet respect will just destroy this SMT as well. Okay, so we're definitely I want to see a retrace now. Or we're just gonna keep going up. Okay, missed entry. Entry would have been good off here, but since it was a turtle soup with this low, I don't like this at all. But to be fair, it would have hit anyway, so I'm just gonna wait for a better entry, see if there's any better OTE. We do need a retrace. There we go. Okay, I'm just entering it. That is the most beautiful retrace to PXH I've ever seen. I'm gonna put my stuffs just at 1-to-1, which is like there. Very late entry. I would have entered here. I would have liked to see a retrace. We don't always get it. So I'm just going to take this and just hope for the best. Okay, let's see if there's a re-entry, because I still believe that this is going to go up. That's crazy that we do that. Yeah, if I just get taken out and then like we just go up, I'm going to be very pissed. Okay, I'm willing to take that. We shouldn't go lower. Honestly, shouldn't go lower. Okay, don't fuck me then. Holy shit. Okay, first big loss of the day. Overtrade. That's crazy. I just want to see what we do. If we continue to go down, then I just have the wrong narrative. Okay, I have the wrong narrative. Alright, we had an S&T here. That's what I was missing. Okay. Very bad loss. Very stupid. But yeah, I would have entered here. I should have entered there. I would have liked to see a retrace down into here, but we didn't. We just swept it and then just went straight up. And we took out this. I entered off that buy side and just targeted like this high. And I would have hit it. I would have hit it in like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That's okay. Unlucky. Next day. So I'm gonna try and stick to one trade. I know I just took like 2 trades and I lost both of them, which is a bit dumb. I'm really annoyed at that. That's just bad discipline. That's what's been cooking me when I just enter off bullshit. Like I should have realized there was an S&T there, and I'm entering kind of too much into premium, so taking a loss like that was really stupid. Yeah, that was dumb. That was really dumb. See, if you have bad habits in backtesting, how are you ever gonna have good habits in normal trading? Big loss. That just ruined my P&L. Both of those trades ruined my P&L. I was up like 3K. So we hit this high time frame draw. Big S&T with it. But my lines just disappear. That's so weird. Crazy. Actual crazy move. I don't know what this low is. Okay, anyway. Crazy. Well, judging by bullish draws, we could get retraces to these highs like here somewhere. Damn man, we're just taking everything. That's crazy. That we have that there as well. We've taken it out. So we could just sell off. Do we have any 10 a.m? No. Let's just wait for macro then. Let's see what happens. My AirPods are going flat. It's not good. Okay. Let's see what we do. Just buy up. Off the PXH, which is crazy. Damn, I love PXH. It's like one of the best conferences ever. As acting as support now for us to go up. Let's just wait for macro, see if we I think we can just continue going higher. But let's just wait and see what we do to given signatures. Okay, so we already have an SMT here. Oh no, we don't. I'm dumb. Wait, do we? No. I'm just gonna wait to see what we do. Okay, very choppy. Not choppy, but it's just like unclear. So, getting bearish movement down, then getting good rebounces into cities. Okay. So we're just selling off. So that PXH looks like it's respecting. If we get bullish movement up, if we inverse this, it's crazy. I'm just gonna wait for the close. Okay, this looks pretty good here. Just gonna target a 1-to-1. Ah, man. It's annoying. I don't want to have my stop like that, but that's the only like safe place. Okay. Here you go. You would have just trailed it, but that's, yeah, good entry, good T entry. Could have entered earlier, honestly. Made crazy buy up. Got that displacement, very good. Next. I'm not gonna look at the higher time frame too much. I feel like that's where I get cooked a lot of the times. Thursday, already had news, so we're looking pretty good. Fuck. Anyway. There we go. I'm just gonna do that. Alter. Oh, fuck. That's not what I wanted to do. What did I just do? Okay. Oh, I did. That was scary. Okay. Crazy news candle. We're above it. Next highs to take out up here. And does that continue? Yeah. That's like the main draw right now. It's this one here. By the looks of it, let's just see which way we go. And then we got the data lows down here. Look, see which way we go. See which one we manipulate. Just immediately selling off. Let's see how I react to this. How I react to that. Okay, so we just bought it. We bought it straight back up. I'm gonna look for a little more. Okay, we just got a big rebalance. Close. Let's just wait. Okay, I think we just continue going down off here. Honestly. Two big rebalances. I'm just going to take a pretty risky trade very early on. I should be waiting for macro. I think we just continue selling. Don't edge me. I just got edged twice, bro. Bro, I do not trade well. I do not backtest well. I kind of just do dumb shit because it's not real money. Anyway, let's see if there's another setup here like during macro, which it looks like it's about now. Now that I look at it, SMT. It's so obvious, I'm just fucking stupid. Look at that, bam, retest. So free, I've already missed my entry. I can just chuck a fucking long position here. Just targeting the height of the range and I'll probably win it. Watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is embarrassing. Holy. No way we go back down. No way I get stopped out in shorts and then I enter long and then I get stopped out in long. It is hilarious. Okay, I'm just gonna skip the day. I lock in for the final 14 days. Come on now. Come on now. That is embarrassing. I'm basically at just break even for the whole month. A break even month, love to see it. Fuck, I'm shit. Bro. God damn. I gotta trade properly. Actually, I trade during macro. Friday, no news, not trading. Just skip the day. We don't trade no news. Yeah, it looks like shit. I got no idea what that means. I'm not from America. Inauguration was like the Trump opening. It's like this is like Trump starting or some shit. No, didn't he start in like 2023? 2024? I don't know. Maybe he's being led into the Oval Office, or whatever it's called. Oral Office. I forgot what it's called. SMT. But we're just so strong. I just think we just go up, and ES just takes this out. Like that's honestly what I think. I think we just go up and take it out. Maybe with NQ as well. This price look good. Okay, I think it looks fine. Yeah, I think we just go up. This is no news. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna wait for macro. I want to see us take out this draw and we'll see what happens from there. We're just edging up. I don't know why it's taking us so long to take that out. Wait for 45 and let's see if we can take a trade. Okay, so explain this. Why is one going down, the other one's going up? Okay, macro. Let's have a look at that. Have a look at this as well. Honestly looks better on ES. Do we even tap it? Displacement. Barely touched the civvy, but I think we just continue going up. Realistic stops should be at the wick. Then it is a negative RR trade, but just to be safe. Okay. Don't really know what I did wrong there. Basically just shorted I just bought the top of the move. Yeah, we did have an S&T, like I understand that, but just looks so bullish with those candles. Yeah, you win some, you lose some. See, that's a loss that's just based off my strategy. Like it's not some bullshit like what I've been doing. Just taking dumb trades and losing, so. Yeah, I legit just fucking I won the short. What do we have here? Tuesday. Oh, it was a Monday. I have to remember that. Like barely take trades on Monday. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now that I see it, it's a Monday, presidential inauguration. So I'm guessing like everyone's busy with whatever that is. So market's gonna be slow. So I shouldn't be aiming for an external draw on liquidity. Especially if it's a Monday. So that's just on me. So we still have that S&T higher time frame. God damn, I suck. I need to do more of this. I should like stream on TikTok of me just just doing back testing. I think that did pretty well. Immediate sell off. I actually don't need like half of these things. I'm gonna quickly clean this up and get rid of the shit that I don't use. Like, I don't use garn boxes anymore. I don't use price ranges. I mean paths, yeah. I'm not using a brush, mate. Okay, much better. Just want to see if we sweat this. Looks like an equal low, but yeah, we're just going to take it out anyway. So let's see if there's any rejection of this, or if we just continue to go down. Okay, so there's our move up. Holy shit, what are these candles? Fuck's sake. If we start going up off here, I'm going to target that high. So, reason why I did that was because we were manipulating this low like a lot. Yes, we had an S&T with ES, but like look at ES. We were wicking this high, didn't want to close above it, and then you look at NQ and we were manipulating this low multiple times. As soon as I see that manipulation down, that's just like the discretionary entry to target the lows, which is what happened. And we had that S&T up here as well. So we had a bearish S&T. We did have a bullish one, but you know that was more. That was like a better entry. Okay, so I'm guessing we just sold off the whole day. Damn, I hate like opening on the fucking 1 minute. Oh, we didn't even sell off that much. We just took out that. Oh no, we did. Did we? No, we didn't. I basically caught like the whole thing. Okay, we've just taken out all this liquidity. So we can just get rid of all that. I might want to keep it up actually because it might act as like PXH. I don't know about that. Could we go on the 1 hour? Almost done with the month. Just have a look at the areas of liquidity. So we still have S&Ts. We still have crazy S&Ts. Like this here. And then this is all the way down here. So let's just see how we react to this. And that could potentially cause us to continue going up to this draw, which is very close. So I feel like we do take that out. Draws of liquidity on ES, just up here. I don't give a fuck about ES. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave ES. Let's just mainly focus on NQ. Let's just see what happens with ES in terms of like manipulation, S&Ts with the internal manipulation. Yeah, so we took it out, came down. We're just kind of chopping around. Let's just see what we do. Do we have any news? No news. Let's just wait for macro. See how we react to this draw on liquidity. Take it out. I'm not on the right time frame. I was wondering why the candles weren't closing. Alright, we took it out. Big close above. If we get some displacement, looks like we're gonna keep going up because okay, if we get internal manipulation here and we take this out, like longs would look so good. I really want to see that get taken out. That'd be great. Okay, so we respected it. If we just start buying up now. If we close below this 50%, I'm gonna enter longs, shorts. Okay, I'm low-key gonna... Okay, I don't see anything just yet. It looks really choppy. It's extremely choppy. Okay. Like this is gonna be 30 point. This is gonna be such a bad trade. This looks like such a bad trade. I don't even want to take this. It's very late into it's. Oh no, macro is like right now, but it just looks bad. Because we can reverse off here, we can reverse off here, and we have that S&T. Yeah, there you go. Crazy, just immediate rejection to the downside. Should have waited for more confirmation. Yeah. Retrace back into this Bissy. And then just manipulation off. I think I'm just being too impatient. I don't know. But that was, yeah, that's obvious that we're going to go up. Very obvious. Damn, bro, I am buns. I am so shit. I am so shit at trading. Don't even want to upload this anymore. It's alright. Just keep trying, gang. I mean, backtesting isn't very, like, it's not a very good reflection of how you trade in the markets. Because it's fake money. And you can just skip through candles, and it's hard to take discretionary entries off, like, you know, big moves and whatnot. But you know, taking dumb losses like that and seeing your P&L be 265 for the whole month. When was that? 3K. Bit dumb. Very dumb. Fucking Trump speaking at 11. I just don't think this is gonna move. We're just accumulating right now on the higher time frame. There's absolutely nothing. Like, yes is being gay. It's like I get too cocky, I take a couple wins, and then I just lose everything. Because I just trade dumb. Anyway. Sell off. Okay, I'm like working not going to look at ES, because what the fuck is that? Like, you see this, and then you see that. Let's just see how I react to this. Or, okay. Immediately bought back up. Like, immediately. Okay, if we just sell off. Missed entry. I would have taken something like, you know, up here. I can take this, but it's just going to be shit fill. I'm probably going to get stopped out like usual. Okay, I'm just... We hit the -4. I feel like we just reversed off this. So I'm just going to put it at break even just because I feel like we're going to reverse. What did I say, bro? The -4, the standard deviation -4 is so strong. It's just immediate move down. Yeah, it's crazy. Look at that. Immediate -4. And ES already took out that draw. ES was at that draw the whole time and NQ wasn't. So stupid. Should have like exited and then look at the -4 with that S&T of this like data high or whatever this was at 831, and then I could have taken shorts. I only notice things in retrospect. Like we had these good longs, we had this good fill. Like I could have entered somewhere here and just held it to like these highs, exited, and we had this there, and you could have taken shorts off that. It's always things in retrospect, man. It's good to look at ES in terms of like that, in scenarios like that where you see a little S&T. Oh, fuck off. God damn, these lines are annoying. S&T with that, but we just, we're just buying up, so. It's a Friday, we got PMI at 45. I don't think this is a good day to trade anyway. Because I'd have to find a trade within the next like 5 fucking minutes in order for this to be like a good Friday. Or I come back at 10:40, but I don't like trading 10:40 macro. I don't really want to backtest it either. Let's see what we do here. Bruh. I would have been exiting more profit if I had put a take profit there. But I just held it. Damn, bro, that's crazy. I just caught it. That's really lucky. 1-for-1s, bro. Yeah, once again, like we retraced into this sell side and we just continued down, so it looked like it was just... That's me only looking at this. Like sometimes ES is just fucking useless. Like it's actually just dog shit useless. Alright, we got like 3 days left. I don't know how long this is. This is 51 minutes long. I don't get how this is 51 minutes long. It doesn't feel like 51 minutes. There's only a month of price action. I'm so buns, bro. I'm actually such a buns. Holy shit. What do we have? Monday, no news? Not trading it. Okay. Tuesday. Okay, this is the final week until February, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna do this really simplistically, like how fucking my mentor does it. Mark out highs and lows. That is not what I want to mark out. I'll try and get this done before the hour. I don't get how an hour's going that quick. Okay, internal highs, internal lows. Overall range, yeah, that's like crazy. I mean, I feel like higher time frame wise, we do come back into this opening gap because it's untapped. It's a very strong drawn liquidity. Price wants to go seek that out and fill that. Let's just see what we do. Yeah, look, what do we do Monday? So market opens 9:30. We barely did anything. Have a look. There's our high time frame draw. Bam. This draw here, this draw here. That looks like a news candle, some kind of news event like FOMC or something. Okay, so we've taken out these draws. Next draw is this one here for ES. Let's just see how it reacts. So already getting this movement up. This looks like Asia. That's like a pre-market low. That's a London low or an Asia low. I'm gonna take a stab at the dark here simply because we have an S&T. Like I know for a fact that I can get stopped out here, 100%. Because I'm trading into a sell side. So I know, but the only reason is because of that BISI. Like it looks pretty good. The BISI, the order block. I'm gonna do the right thing and just wait. Wait to see what we do. There you go. We sell below. It's like, once again, like I would have gotten a better discretionary entry, but look how fucking low we are. So I have to do that, and I'm probably gonna get stopped out because it's a shitty 1-to-1. I'm probably not gonna hit this because we just look at the main draw, and I'm like, that's so lucky. I mean, ES was seeking those lows as well, so I guess it's okay. But yeah, thank God I didn't enter this. That's why you wait for the fucking candle close, bro. Damn. Yeah, came up, respected this, and we just sold off. Entry would have been like, yeah, actually entry was pretty good there, I guess. Next day. Jesus. Sold off at 45, and then just the biggest bull run ever. Biggest bull run off the liquidity sweep here. That's crazy. I caught my piece of the pie pretty early. It's all just about catching up your piece of the pie. Can't be too greedy and taking just like crazy setups. It's just dumb. We can need to mark that out because I don't know where I'm trading. Alright, mark out highs and lows. TLs, we have an S&T here. Okay, let's just mark out this first high. I'm also going to mark out CE in case we get a rejection, continue down, because it looks like we already tapped it. We could continue down to these lows by the looks of it. We're in a crazy, I think we do need to get a big, like an overall retrace on this move anyway. Because we're like in crazy premium. Could target like these lows. Is there any news? FOMC. Probably gonna be really bad, but let's just have a look. Just sell off, bro. Crazy sell. What did I say? Okay, so I want to see. Tap the CE, we just immediate sell off. How many points is this? 80. Okay, if we continue to go down, I'm gonna enter here. Stops at the top of the displacement. Pretty early, very early. Like always, I think I'm trading way too early. I have to wait until 45, which is not that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get taken out here. So I gotta stop trading so early. I actually have to wait for the macro, and we have an S&T here. I don't know why I'm taking that short off displacement when like we've already sold off so much. I'm gonna wait for macro. Okay, which seems to be now. So we've taken out these lows now. The lows of like the C of the range. We could just get some crazy reversal off this. Let's see. Not really, bro. This looks pretty shit. I already took my loss. Okay, there's our up move. We have this BC here, Sibi. See if we close above the 50%, or if we just respect it. Okay, so this looks really good for longs right now. If we just go up, if we just don't do anything, then I'm just not going to take a trade by the looks of it. Okay, I shall take this. It's targeting a 1-to-1. If I get manipulated again, bro. No way, gang. There's actually no way, son. I don't want to put a break, so put it these lows. Holy fucking chop, bro. Okay, I am never trading before FOMC. That is the telltale sign to never trade before FOMC. Every time there's FOMC the next day, like at in the afternoon, bro, it's just this. Like, what the fuck is this? We sell off. Like, obvious sell off because of CE, and then we just don't really do any moving. We take out this draw, and then it's just chop. Like, what the fuck is this? What is this? This is horror price action. God damn, the whole month I'm only up $100. That is disgusting. That is horrid. It's honestly horrid. Man, I trade better with. I bet I trade better not looking at ES. Okay, I'm probably not gonna. I'm just not gonna look at ES anymore. Well, let's just only look at this. Fuck ES. ES is shit. ES means nothing. If I trade better like this, then it's like we got 2 days left, so let's just have a look. .30 news already happened. Let's just view these and see what happens. No, my AirPods are flat. That is not good. Okay, so sell through this. And we did get our retrace. Honestly, I'm down to enter off this. Putting stops above that and targeting these lows here. Man, I am taking a fucking beating. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. I'm actually getting rage baited. I'm being rage baited by the... I still think that drawn equity wants to get met. Jesus. You know what? I'm just gonna stop. Anyway. That's the month done. Did it within an hour and 2. And I'm down 1.7k. From being up 3k to just taking shit trades. So, not the best. Like, this shit's meant to be good. Damn, bro, my other sessions are so much more successful. That's crazy. What news is it? Yeah, no. Okay. See you later. Terrible trade.